have exorcised the demons. This house is clear.
All right, Steven. This is the 90-minute mark, buddy. Let me take you to the rhythm channel. Not getting any of that noise now. Nice. It's a little grounding noise. I have her running into a ground isolated variable AC supply, so that protects me in the event of a short, but it does let in a little bit of noise because there's no ground reference on the power cord there. So let's get into lead mode. This is so loud. So very nice. I would say this house is clear.